Hello student. So again let's start with 5th standard environmental studies. We will see children chapter 14 when the earth shook. So students, now in previous video you have seen what is an earthquake and we have seen how it occurs. Then after that we have seen the preventive means do's and don'ts when earthquake occurs. Then after that children, we have seen about a flood, and after that we have seen about a drought. Now in this video children, we are going to see about another natural calamities, that is tsunami. And next another natural calamities we are going to see. First we will see about a tsunami. A tsunami is an enormous wall of water that comes on to the shore in the form of waves. Tsunami occurs due to undersea earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. Tsunami means what now children? A great long high sea wave. A great long high sea wave caused because of earthquakes as well as, or you can say, volcanic eruptions. A great long high sea wave caused by an earthquake or volcanic eruption, that is nothing but a tsunami. We have seen when earthquake occur on land, it is earthquake, and if it occurs in water, it is called tsunami. And the waves are so high and great and very long high waves are there of that water. Tsunamis are defined as the extremely large ocean waves triggered by underwater earthquakes, volcanic activities or landslides. The word tsunami was coined from Japanese word. It's actually Japanese word, and T is silent over here, translating to harbor wave in English. Tsunamis are sometimes referred to as tidal waves by the general public, which is wrong, as tsunamis are unrelated to the tides. That's different, and tsunamis are different. So this is about a tsunami. So tsunami means a very great or long high wave caused because of earthquake or volcanic eruption or landslides. Now we will see another natural calamity, that is a cyclone. Cyclones are strong and rotating winds, means very forceful winds are blowing, and common in coastal areas and are associated with high tides and flood. Cyclone means what? Cyclones is a strong wind accompanied with very heavy rain, means heavy rain as well as very strong wind is blowing at the time cyclone is coming. And you can see cyclonic storm as well as the condition when cyclone occurs. So this is about a cyclone. This is also one of the natural calamity. Now next natural calamity is that volcanic eruption. So volcanic eruption means what? A volcano is a wheel with a vent. The vent reaches down to the hot molten rock beneath the surface of the earth. During a volcanic eruption, the molten rock is forced up the vent. It flows out of the top as lava, and the lava flows out very fast and burns everything that comes in its way. It causes great damage to property and life. Now what is meant by volcanic eruption? A stream of gas, hot molten rock, ash is violently ejected to a height of several miles on the earth's surface. Means it is highly ejected from bottom to the earth's surface. A stream of gas, hot molten rocks, ash is violently ejected to a height of several miles on earth's surface. It is so hot deep within the earth, and that's why it's very hot. It is so hot deep within the earth that some rocks slowly melt and turn into a thick flowing matter known as magma. Because of the hotness, that some rocks slowly melt and that can turn into a thick flowing matter, and that matter is called magma. Now since it is lighter than the solid rock around it, the magma rises and gets collected in magma chambers. Hence, a volcanic eruption occurs and erupted magma is known as the lava. As you can see it in the picture, that lava, you can see that. Now we are going to see what is vent and all that in the next slide. Now students, as you can see it in the picture, see first see about a figure. Magma chamber is there below that, and you can see the root, that is a vent, and after that on the top or opening of that mouth you can say that crater cone, and see the blast of that ash and gas clouds, and that is lava, that magma that reaches the surface, that is called lava. Now a vent, central opening to the volcano, that is a central opening to the volcano, that is called vent. You can see it in the figure labeling. Then crater means what? Cup like hollow around the vent, just like a cup like round shaped structure is there around the vent, that is called the crater. And caldera, when a volcano collapses and forms a very wide crater. A very wide crater forms when the volcano collapses, and it forms a very wide crater. So lava means what? Magma that has reached the surface, that is called a lava. After that children, we will see about a landslide. That is also one of the natural calamity, and landslide is a type of mass wasting. Mass means large volume body. Mass wasting is down slope movement of soil and or rock under the influence of gravity. Means a large mass is falling down because of gravity, because gravity pulls everything down. So it affects the environment in the following ways: destroys the slope or hill, eliminates all vegetation, and buries houses and sometimes entire villages also. As you can see it in the picture children, as it is coming down very fast in very large volume, so it can causes damages to life also. So this is about a landslide. So children, in this way we have seen natural calamities, that is we have seen earthquake, floods, drought, then we have seen about a landslide, then we have seen about volcanic eruption. These are some natural calamities. These are occurring due because of natural forces. So we have seen in this chapter about earthquake, that we have seen about disasters, and we have seen the natural calamities in this lesson. So children, please see the video properly again and again, and try to get more knowledge about all these calamities. Many calamities are there, but according to your level or that are sufficient. So thank you for watching video children. Please read the lesson carefully, find out the hard words meanings. Thank you for watching video.